Word tutorial, adding page numbers. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word. Number 1. Open your document. Launch Microsoft Word and open the document you want to add page numbers to. Number 2. Navigate to the Insert tab. At the top of the window, you will see a series of tabs. Click on the Insert tab. Number 3. Locate the page number button. Within the Insert tab, look for the page number button. It is usually located in the header and footer section, but these can vary depending on your version of Word. Number 4. Choose a page numbering style. Clicking on the page number button will open a drop-down menu with different options for where you want the page numbers to appear. You can choose from top of page, bottom of page margins, etc. Hover your mouse over these options to see a preview of where the page number will be placed. Number 5. Select a page numbering format. Once you have chosen where you want the page numbers to appear, another menu will open with different formatting options. You can choose from plain numbers, Roman numerals, or other styles. Click on the format you prefer. Number 6. Customize page numbering. If you want to customize the appearance or position of the page numbers further, you can do so by clicking on Format Page Numbers at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This will open a dialog box where you can adjust settings like alignment, starting page number, and page number format. And speaking of alignment, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 7. Insert page numbers. After you have selected your preferred page numbering style and format, Word will automatically insert the page numbers into your document. Number 8. Save your document. Don't forget to save your document after adding page numbers to ensure that your changes are preserved. That's it. You have successfully added page numbers to your Microsoft Word document. You can now navigate through your document more easily, whether for personal use or when sharing with others. Thank you for joining me on this journey of empowerment and productivity. Remember, every step forward is a victory worth celebrating. As we close this chapter, let us embrace gratitude for the opportunities ahead. As Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us." Let this guide be a reminder that within each of us resides the power to create, inspire, and achieve greatness. With that, may your endeavors be infused with the magic touch of determination and positivity. Here's to the limitless potential within you. Keep shining bright.